Finance support, which is available to higher education students, includes tuition fee support and maintenance support. This includes loans and grants, which can help pay for the fees and also for your living costs while you're at university studying. The tuition fee loan is available from Student Finance Wales for both full and part-time students. This loan will cover the full cost of your course while you're studying at university. Maintenance support includes a maintenance loan and a maintenance grant and is available for both full and part-time students. If you have dependents, there are a range of dependents grants available. This can be if you have child dependents who need support with childcare, and also if you have children while you're studying, there is additional grants available to help you with your finances. If you have adults who are dependent on you, there's also an adult dependence grant which you may be eligible for. If you're a student with a disability, there are grants available to help you while you are studying. These are disabled students' allowances. They cover anything from mental health conditions, any specific learning difficulty or physical disabilities that you may have, and help support you while you're studying. Grŵp Cymryd and Mae'n also award bursaries to certain students. These bursaries range from the direct progression bursaries, which gives additional support to students who progress from level 3 onto our higher education courses. There is a Welsh language bursary, which is available to those students who are studying in the medium of Welsh. And there are also grants as bursaries available for students who fall into the Community First area bursary, and also for care leavers who have been in the care of a local authority. So the college offer a wide range of support available to all students. This includes wellbeing and welfare support, counselling, support and advice, drop-in sessions on a daily basis, and also free period products available to students, free breakfasts which are available to students and staff every day, and events that will be there to support you as students while you're studying with the college.